Hi there, lower school teachers and parents. This is Megan Blakely, and I'm here to teach you a quick tech lesson. If you are watching this video, it means that you are probably already inside this slideshow, Digital Guides to the New Parent Canvas page. Now, right now, we are going to be doing a quick video on making your weekly room parent email update. This can still be sent out as a weekly email. However, you would just be sending the link to what you're making here instead of that lengthy email like you did before. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to click on this link right here in Weekly. When you do, it's going to open up a document and it's going to ask you to make a copy. You are going to say yes to that. Once you've made your copy, you have your template. This is going to be the template that the homeroom parent is going to use to create weekly updates. Teachers will also have access to this, so you want to make sure that under sharing settings, you're going to change that to the people that you want to be able to edit this document, and that should be you as the homeroom parent, and it should be the teacher and possibly the teacher's aide depending on the grade level you are teaching. So you want to make sure that the sharing settings for those people are included. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to click done, and it will email them the link. You can also click down here to change the link settings so that you are giving it to anyone with the link or restricting the link, etc. And you want to make sure that you are clicking anyone with the link is a viewer, so that when you send this out to parents who don't have Lake Highland emails because they aren't students or teachers here, anyone will be able to see this specific document. Okay, so you're going to click done. And now we're in the fun part. You are able to edit this thing. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this initial page and you are going to change this to the homeroom teacher, or homeroom teacher, and you are going to put your name as the homeroom parent here and include your email here in case somebody needs to contact you quickly for information. Each week, you are going to do an individual slide that is going to serve as basically your typical email that you would have sent out in the past. You will talk to the teachers or communicate with them in order to get the information for updates about, events and interesting things going on in the class, etc. You can edit this by going in and just clicking and changing the text. Same thing here, but there is so much you can do with Google Slides. It's actually really, really fun. If you are a techie homeroom parent, I encourage you to get creative and really have fun with it. You can change the background colors of the slides. You can add pictures. You can even add videos directly in. So for example, if I wanted to, if I were a homeroom parent, I could record a quick video of something and then pop it straight in there to give my face, in the communication. So when you are creating yours, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the date up top, and each time you are going to instead of creating a whole new page each time, I recommend just making a copy by duplicating this slide. And then that way you get your formatting all the same. And you're just going to make sure that your newest one is always the first slide. So you're just going to drag it so it's the first slide after this one. And like I said, you can play with this as much as you want. You can add extra information to the slideshow, but try to keep each week to a single individual page. And of course, because this is a document that is a live document, if you want to include live links in it and things like that, they will all be active, which is really nice. So when a parent is looking at it, it should look like this, which will be, visually appealing. All right, so now let's talk about saving this now that you have created it. So you are going to go up here and you're going to, first of all, rename it. You want it to be, instead of Homeroom Parent Hub Template, you want it to be teacher, whatever that teacher's name, Homeroom Parent Hub, and then I guess weekly news. There you go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click File, and you're going to click Move. And you are going to move this into the grade level folder that it belongs in, first of all. So let's say the homeroom that I am working with is a 3rd grade homeroom, and I am in Miss Bingle's. So I would then click this folder and click Move Here. And then, ta-da! Your announcements are in the right location, and now that you have access to them and the teacher has access to them, all you're going to do is each week you're going to go in and you are going to update and add to them. I highly recommend that if you are a bookmark person, which I am, that you're going to go ahead and just bookmark this up in your frequently used bookmarks tab, and then that way each week you're just going directly to the bookmark in order to make edits, and you don't have to go through all the steps to try to find it each week. All right, that's it for the quick lesson tutorial on your weekly email. So good luck, everybody.